Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I have my Macy's beauty box. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I have my Macy's beauty box, and I was kind of excited about this one because I never know what's in it, and also the fact that nobody else has opened it. And so, well, I think they have by now, but when I got it, I had other things I needed to open and also reveal the winner of the giveaway. So this has been sitting for a couple of days. So by now, I'm sure there is something up. So yeah, but anyway, I want to share with you what's in my beauty box. And so let's get it open. I know last time I had a problem opening it, but there was a simple solution, but I think they covered it up. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it right down the middle, and I hope I didn't destroy anything. Okay, okie dokie. And so how you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. And just to give you some information on this box is $15 a month, and it does come from Macy's, which means everything you're going to get in this box is what Macy's sells. So I like that. And so, yeah, and how it comes is I just split open the box, and it's bundled up like this, okay? And I'm going to pull out the whole bundle like so, because I usually have it wrapped up. And there's usually a card on the bottom, and there is. And along with the card, they usually give you a coupon for like $5 or $10. Oh, and this time it is $10. But you know what the funny thing is? Last time I tried to use a $10 one, it only counted for $5. I don't know what's up with that. If that happens again, I'm going to contact them and say, hey, you gave me a $10 card, but it's only worth $5. What's the deal? Anyway, so just think about this. The box is $15 and you get $10 off. And there is no like maximum that you have to spend. It's just $40, I think. It doesn't have to be any more than that. So yeah, your next $40 beauty purchase, you get $10 off. So this is great. Okay, and along with that, there is information inside about what the product is, but I'm not gonna look because I want to be surprised. Okay, and so what it says in the back of this, and I think this is the same thing every month: open, have fun, repeat. Your monthly beauty fix is here. You've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. So there you go. Okay. And so, and by the way, the $10 that they give you, it doesn't have to be on what's in the box. It could be anything. I rarely buy what's in the box. Usually I have something that I really want already anyway, and so I use it for that. So let's just go into this wrap. Okay. Okie dokie. All right, the first thing out of the box, and this is by Rituals, and it's a ritual of Sakura. Sakura means cherry blossoms in Japanese, I can tell you that. And and let's see, what is this? It is a celebrate each day as a new beginning. It's a sensational foaming shower gel. Oh, interesting. Foaming shower gel. Look at that. Sensational. Yeah, it's here. And it looks like, yeah, it's, I guess you shake it up and it's shower gel. I'm not going to, of course, squeeze it because I'm not going to use this yet. But you know what? I will use it. But let's just go ahead and see what it says about it. Okay, Rituals Sakura Foaming Shower Gel. Not only does this rich gel transform into silky soft foam, but it also has a dreamy aroma of cherry blossom and rice milk. Ooh, I like that. Okay, and this value is $12.50. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's for the full size or for these travel sizes one, but it doesn't say. But I'll have to check it out. Lather on in the shower or bath for luxurious self-care. Where else are you going to lather it on? In your garage? Okay. It's okay. I guess you have to explain some things, right? Okay, that's that. Okay, next is this little Mario. I can never say it. Is it Badescu Skincare. And this is a facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Here we go. It looks like some kind of a spray, maybe a mist for, I don't know, setting spray or pre-makeup spray. Let's just take a look real quick. It's facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. One spritz provides an instant boost of hydration, antioxidants, and calming botanicals to brighten, balance, and replenish your skin. It's also $12. So, and pro tip, keep in your bag or workplace for a midday fresh or 5. Okay? Or 5. Okay. So, yeah. All right. I'll just keep this in my bag. But, and see... It's for all skin types, so okay, yep. It seems like it's just a spritz, you know, refreshener. Okay, the next thing I am unboxing is something. What is that? This is a hot, heavy. Ooh, that smells so nice. It's called a Blackberry Fizz, but man, that smells really, really nice. What is this? Is it a bath bomb? Bath bomb. Okay. Harper and Erin Blackberry Fizz Bar Bath Bomb. Yep. This new handmade relaxation treat made its way to your box to remind you that deluxe bubble baths are everything. It's $10. How to use. Fill your tub with warm water and fizz your cares away. Makes me want to take a bath now, but I don't. So I don't soak in water. So what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. But you guys, this smells so good. I wonder if I can use it for like a foot soak or something. No, that'll be a waste. I want somebody to have it. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and put that aside for a giveaway. Okay, and you know what? Let me take a look real quick because I have some things that are like teeny tiny, and I'm wondering if those are just even in here. So, maybe not. Maybe so. Okay, this is Scentbird, meaning S-C-E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Scentbird. And it's a little like this. It's like a little sample of some kind. What is this, though? It says here it is a restoring lifestyle balance naturally de-stress therapy balm. 100% natural. Relax, unwind, and reset. It's a balm. Okay. They're putting everything in a balm nowadays, don't they? Let me see if that's even in here. Oh, it is. It is. It is. Okay. It's Scentbird. It says this 100% natural blend of essential oils. Shout out to chamomile, mandarin, and neroli. Provides mess-free calming energy. It retails for $24. It says how to use. Apply to your pulse points as needed for tension relief. Okay, so these prices must be for the full size because there's no way that teeny tiny thing is $24. So, okay, the prices that they give here is for the full price. Okay, well, I mean for the full size. And so this is actually really cute. It's like a miniature deodorant, like that type of thing. So, oh, by the way, guys, it's been like over a week now. Look. I still have my nails. It hasn't fallen off. And you know what, though? I really want to put on new ones because I got a whole drawer full of them now. And I really, really want to put other ones on there. But these aren't falling off. So it's like, it'd be a waste for me to pop them off, right? So I don't know. If they don't pop off in a few days, maybe I will take them off. But they say it lasts 2 weeks. And I think it is. It's a little over a week now, right? No, it is exactly at a week right now. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to see because they're not coming off. So I want to use the new one. So anyway, that's okay. So that was a commercial break. And next is this little cute tube by Peter Thomas Roth. Okay, that's a big brand, right? Peter Thomas Roth. But let's see what this is. Okay, Peter Thomas Roth. And this is a cucumber gel mask. And it's cucumber, papaya, chamomile, and aloe vera are the perfect recipe to soothe, hydrate, and refresh irritated skin. You can use this calming mask anytime, but it's especially great after sun exposure. You should not be getting exposed to sun. And peels or facials. So it's great after sun exposure, peels, or facials. Okay, pro tip. It can also be used on tired eyes to reduce puffiness. The retail price for a full size is $55. You know what? I could use that because the other day my face was really irritated. I think I I don't know, not over exfoliated because I didn't overtly exfoliate, but you know I use the Retin-A, and I think I put too much on there one night, and it's like, oh man, I think I put too much because I'm using the strongest dosage now, and so I think I got a little bit too overly enthusiastic about putting it on, because in the morning I'm like, oh, ow, that's like, it looked a little bit red, but I mean, my skin is really tough, so it recovers really quickly. So, I mean, if you notice now, I mean, my skin, you know, it recovered, but I could have really used this on that day when it was feeling a little bit kind of, you know, zingy. So it's good to have, yeah, on the side. So I'll try it. If it works, I'll buy a full bottle. So yeah, that's that. Okay, the next thing. Okay, Glam Glow. This company is everywhere nowadays. Glam Glow. I don't know what to think of it. You know, have you guys used Glam Glow stuff? I just continue to give them away because it's like, I don't know. I just haven't been into it, so maybe I will give it a try. This is a mask, so maybe I will. Let me tell you about it anyway. This is this 5-time winner of Allure's Reader Choice Award targets clogged pores, dead skin buildup, acne, and blemishes with Super 6 acid blend and activated charcoal. It's $60. And how to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin 1 to 3 times weekly. Leave on until it hardens, then rinse with warm water. I will actually give this one away again because this is a super mud mask, and this is made more for people with it looks like clogged pores and dead skin buildup, and I don't have any of that. And I think this is probably good for acne, as it said, acne prone skin. And to me, that means oily skin, right? So, and I have very dry skin, so I will go ahead and add this cute little thing to the giveaways. But if you guys used other products from Glam Glow, tell me what you think, because it was, you know, when I first saw it, when I started reading about it and on the bottle and really kind of deciphering what was in there, it seemed really gimmicky to me, some of the stuff, how they were advertising it. And there's nothing worse than advertising, even if the product is really good and you market it in a really gimmicky way, I'm not gonna touch it. Because then it's like, so why are they so being gimmicky if this stuff works? Because I think I explained to you guys about how I feel about spending money on marketing versus R&D, research and development. I mean, if you're spending so little on research and development, you have to really market to get it, you know, get it out there. Whereas if you're spending a lot in research and development, you don't have to spend as much in marketing, because if you guys are really good, just the word of mouth is going to be your market. That's your best sort of marketing, right? Instead of marketing with all these, hype and everything else. So I tend to stay away from things with huge hype and huge marketing campaigns. So yeah, and that's how I feel about these things. And especially spend money on research and development, and the rest will take care of itself. That's what I think. So anyhow, that's me. Anyway, the very last thing here, I think I'm gonna enjoy this. It's called Just Chillin'. You see that? It's a cold gel eye mask. No more puffy, tired eyes. To chill, place in the refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once desired coolness is reached, place the soft fleece side over your eyes and pull the elastic strap over your head. Do you really have to explain that you put the fleece side to your head? But okay, Erin, it's all right. And so, well, you know what? I'm going to open it because I'm going to go ahead and put this in it. I usually put it in my own bag. I have like a little bag that I put these in and then put it in the refrigerator. I don't just put it in there like that. I have a nice little bag. And so here it is. Oh, cool. Look at this. This is the same kind of stuff that's in my, I sprained my ankles one time, and the doctor gave me this pack, and this is exactly what's in it. And here's the fleece side that they were talking about, so that way you don't freeze your face, right? This is so cute. Look at this, guys. This is very cute. Okay, I'm good with it. And let's just read about it really quick. And it says here, created for Macy's. Okay, cold gel eye mask, depuff tired eyes in the morning or wind down at night with a soothing and obviously adorable gel mask. Instant calm, not sold in stores. How to use. Chill in the fridge. Oh, I just read that to you, right? And it's there is no retail price on this because this is actually made specifically for the Macy's bag. And so, yeah, I mean, definitely cute. And there's, like I said, no retail price. This is so cute. I know this is going to work because we use this in medicine. This kind of beads in there. It keeps it chilled for a long time. Just be careful. Don't freeze it if you guys have it because, yeah, it could get really, really cold. And so, yeah, this is nice. Great. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that is it. That is what was in my Macy's box for March 2021. And I actually like what I got. Okay, I get it. I'm not going to be using a couple of these things, you know, and it's going to go into the giveaway. But mostly, I mean, it's great. It's good products, right? And for $15, come on. Look what you guys get in Allure, right? Versus in Macy's. $23 for Allure now, even though I still get my Allure from my annual that I paid for at a cheaper rate of $15. So yeah, once that runs out, I don't think I'm going to renew it. But anyway, that's okay. That's enough of that. And so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And I do upload a video every day and sometimes more than once a day. And if you ring that bell and mark all, YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. Okay? So, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, good evening, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But regardless, remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.